there, it's Judy, your instructor, and since we are beginning a new chapter, I wanted to just kind of give an introduction to this. Last week, you worked on value assumptions. Those are questions that are answered about what is right. What should I do? What's according to things I cherish, what do I think I should do in this situation? This week, we're going to work on reality assumptions. They're similar, but they're different. Reality assumptions deal with factual informations. They answer questions about what are the facts that are given to support this? What assumptions do I make based upon facts? We all make assumptions. It's just human nature. We make assumptions. And those assumptions are based upon our values, our family, our friends, our church, the things we enjoy doing. They're based upon how we view others. Now, sometimes they're not factual. For instance, these are assumptions that are made. Remember, reality-based assumptions, we're going to question them. Somebody with tattoos on their arms. Somebody with purple hair. Somebody with an extreme body mass, like bodybuilding mass. And we go, well, you know how scary those tattooed people are. Well, anybody that has colored hair, well, they can't have much going on up here. Well, you know how those Italians are. You know about Indians. So assumptions are made, but they're not based upon reality. So what difference does it make if somebody has blonde dyed hair, or if somebody has purple hair, or green hair, or pink hair? What difference does it make? Is it based upon factual information? If it matters about the color of our skin. I have blue eyes. I have blonde hair. But I don't know if you can tell it by my videos, I have darker skin complexion because my mother and grandmother were Creek Indian. Do I look Native American? No, but I am. So we make assumptions about others, about issues that are not based on factual reality. This chapter is going to talk about reality assumptions. Those are assumptions that are in the real world reality that should be based upon factual information. So as you go through this chapter, look at reality assumptions, look at deductive reasoning. Up until now in the book, we have talked about deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is how we make decisions. For instance, you're buying a car. You don't go out and say, oh, that's the one I want because, oh, I want it. It's pretty. No, you probably look at gas mileage, how much insurance will be, upkeep, repair cost. You look at factual information. You have an issue, you look at factual information. And that supports your conclusion. That's how most of our decisions are made. Next chapter, we'll talk about another area that we make decisions in a different way. So, enjoy the chapter. If you have any questions, give me a call. I've kind of made allowances on the number of assignments you have this week because Monday is President's Day. It's a holiday. So I kind of cut down on the assignments for this week. Remember, they open I'm going to open them Monday morning in case you want to work on them. And then they're due by Sunday night at 11:59. Any questions? Call me. Email me. I'm home a lot in this room at this computer, so just get a hold of me. Have a nice week. If you have Monday off from work and you're taking a day off since it's a holiday, enjoy. Bye.